All right. Answering the question how to make French mustard vinaigrette dressing. Probably the most made and consumed dressing in all of France. It's no coincidence that it's made with Dijon mustard. Sometimes extra strong Dijon mustard, sometimes regular Dijon. We're going to make it with regular Dijon. This whole video is going to take about 2 minutes. So this is a good picture for you to see how quickly you can make your own dressing, okay? So I'm going to put, about 1.5 tablespoons of the Dijon mustard in the bowl. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic in there, about 1 teaspoon, maybe 1.5 teaspoons. I'm going to put some fresh black pepper in there, teaspoon. I'm going to put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, okay? Then I'm going to mix it up with a little bit of olive oil first, maybe about 1/4 cup olive oil. Then I'm going to put the same amount of canola salad oil, about 1/4 cup. And you see it's coming together right away. The mustard kind of helps bind it together for you. Now let me taste it, and that could be a done deal right here. It's good. The thing to remember about when you're making this is you can make it as mustardy as you want. If you like a little bit stronger, then you can add more oil or start out with less mustard. I'm going to add just a pinch more, so maybe I got 1/4 cup and a couple of tablespoons of the salad oil. And that's it. That's one quick and easy way to make it. I'll pour some on a plate for you here so you can get a closer look at the consistency. And this video is just about over. There you go. Use it for anything. Now you can add sugar to this if you want like a honey mustard, sweet mustard flavored dressing, of course. I don't know if I'd recommend that, but I've done it before. But great for tossing with salads, and that's the main use for it. Enjoy it. It's an easy one.